Trisha and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something super duper fun. Today we're going to be making our very own lava lamps. Isn't that exciting? For this we'll need food coloring, a bottle, some oil, water, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and this is optional, glitter! Alright guys, let's start! Okay guys, so our first step is to fill this bottle with 3/4 of oil. I've now filled both of these bottles 3/4 with oil. Now we're going to fill the remaining in with water. Guys, remember to be careful. That's enough. Okay guys, very good. Now we're going to put in the food coloring. I'm going to put some red in this one. And give it a shake. I'll try again later. And I'm going to put some green in this one. Okay, that's enough. Guys, I can see the red is already starting to spread. Okay guys, I'm going to put the... Okay guys, now we're going to shake them up. Shake, 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 shake. Alright. Hey guys, did you notice that just before we put the food coloring in, after we put the water, the oil and the water, they did mix. The water went all the way down and the oil stayed up. You guys must be wondering how that happened. I'll tell you, it's because they both have different densities. Density is mass against volume. Okay, moving on. Now I'm going to put some glitter in the red one. Ooh, it's looking so pretty. Just going to shake it all up. Okay guys, now I'm going to put in these Alka-Seltzer tablets. First the red. Oh my gosh guys, look how it's bubbling. Wow, it's fizzing. Look, it's coming out a bit. It's like a volcano. Now I'm going to keep some in here. See guys? Then it looks so cool. The red one looks like real lava. And the glitter, it's making it look so awesome. The green one also looks really cool. See guys, it was such a fun experiment to do with your friends and family. Oh look, this one's coming out. Well, I hope you had fun doing this with me. And if you did and want to see more of my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!